To truly grasp the concept of energy manipulation and the creation of quantum events in life, we must first understand the nature of energy itself. Energy is the fundamental building block of the universe. It exists in everything: inanimate objects, living beings, thoughts, and emotions. Everything we perceive is a manifestation of energy vibrating at different frequencies. When we understand this, we realize that we have the power to influence and manipulate these energies to shape our reality. The first step in mastering energy manipulation is to develop a deep awareness of our own energy. This requires us to become conscious of our thoughts, emotions, and physical state. Every thought we think and every emotion we feel is a form of energy that we emit into the world. These energies interact with the universal energy field, attracting similar frequencies and creating our experiences. Therefore, it's crucial to cultivate positive and empowering thoughts and emotions. One way to become aware of our energy is through mindfulness and meditation. By practicing mindfulness, we can observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment. This helps us identify negative patterns and shift our focus towards more positive and constructive thoughts. Meditation allows us to quiet the mind and connect with our inner self, creating a state of inner peace and harmony. This inner state influences the energy we emit and attracts positive experiences into our lives. Another important aspect of energy manipulation is intention. Intention is the focused energy of our thoughts and desires. When we set a clear and positive intention, we direct our energy towards a specific outcome. This creates a powerful force that aligns with the universal energy field, attracting the people, opportunities, and circumstances that support our intention. To harness the power of intention, we must be clear about what we want and believe that it is possible. Visualization is a powerful tool for reinforcing our intentions. By creating a vivid mental image of our desired outcome, we send a strong signal to the universe. This signal attracts the corresponding energies and accelerates the manifestation process. When visualizing, it's important to engage all our senses and feel the emotions associated with achieving our goal. This amplifies the energy of our intention and makes it more effective. Our emotions play a significant role in energy manipulation. Emotions are energy in motion, and they influence the vibrations we emit. Positive emotions like love, joy, and gratitude have high vibrations, while negative emotions like fear, anger, and sadness have low vibrations. To create positive quantum events in our lives, we must cultivate high vibrational emotions. This can be achieved through practices like gratitude journaling, acts of kindness, and spending time in nature. It's also important to address and release negative emotions. When we suppress or ignore our negative emotions, they become trapped in our energy field, creating blockages that hinder the flow of positive energy. By acknowledging and processing these emotions, we can release them and restore the natural flow of energy. Techniques like emotional freedom tapping, EFT, breathwork, and journaling can help us release negative emotions and raise our vibration. Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lessons. Energy manipulation also involves aligning our actions with our intentions and values. Our actions are a physical manifestation of our energy, and they play a crucial role in creating our reality. When we act with integrity and authenticity, we align ourselves with the universal energy field and attract positive experiences. This means taking inspired action towards our goals, even when it feels challenging or uncomfortable. In the process of energy manipulation, it's important to remain open and receptive to the signs and synchronicities that the universe sends our way. These are meaningful coincidences that guide us towards our desired outcomes. By staying present and aware, we can recognize these signs and take the necessary steps to align with the flow of universal energy. Now, let's consider the interconnectedness of all things. We are not isolated beings, but part of a vast, interconnected web of energy. Every thought, emotion, and action we emit has a ripple effect on the whole. This understanding brings a sense of responsibility and empowerment. By changing our energy, we can influence the larger field of energy and create positive quantum events, not only in our own lives, but in the lives of others as well. The power of intention and belief. Harnessing the power of intention and belief is essential for mastering energy manipulation. Intention is the conscious direction of our energy towards a specific outcome. When we set an intention, we align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with a desired goal. This alignment creates a powerful energetic frequency that attracts corresponding energies from the universe. Belief, on the other hand, is the conviction that our intention will manifest. It is the unwavering faith in our ability to create our desired reality. Without belief, our intentions lack the necessary energy to manifest. Therefore, cultivating a strong belief in our power to influence reality is crucial. To set effective intentions, clarity is key. We must be specific about what we want to achieve and why. This clarity helps us focus our energy and avoid distractions. Writing down our intentions and visualizing the desired outcome can reinforce our commitment and strengthen our belief. When visualizing, it's important to engage all our senses and feel the emotions associated with achieving our goal. This practice amplifies the energy of our intention and makes it more potent. Belief can be strengthened through affirmations and positive self-talk. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce our desired outcome and boost our confidence. By repeating affirmations daily, we reprogram our subconscious mind to support our intentions. Additionally, surrounding ourselves with supportive and like-minded individuals can enhance our belief in our ability to manifest our goals. It's also important to be aware of limiting beliefs that may hinder our energy manipulation efforts. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts and assumptions that restrict our potential. These beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or fear of failure. Identifying and challenging these limiting beliefs is crucial for freeing ourselves from their constraints. Techniques such as cognitive reframing, journaling, and working with a coach or therapist can help us overcome these mental barriers. As we strengthen our belief and clarify our intentions, we must also take inspired action. Action is the physical manifestation of our energy and intentions. It is the bridge between our inner desires and outer reality. By taking consistent and aligned action, we send a clear signal to the universe that we are committed to our goals. This action doesn't have to be grand or perfect. Even small, consistent steps can create significant momentum. In the process of taking action, we may encounter challenges and setbacks. These obstacles are opportunities for growth and learning. Instead of viewing them as failures, we should see them as feedback and adjust our approach accordingly. Resilience and persistence are key qualities in energy manipulation. By staying focused and committed, we can overcome any challenges and continue moving towards our desired outcome. Now, consider how your current beliefs shape your reality. What specific intentions will you set today to align with your highest aspirations? How will you strengthen your belief in your ability to manifest these intentions? The role of emotional energy. Emotional energy is a driving force that significantly impacts our ability to manipulate energy and create quantum events in life. Emotions are dynamic expressions of our internal state, and they carry powerful vibrations that influence the energy field around us. Positive emotions such as love, joy, and gratitude elevate our vibrational frequency, attracting experiences that resonate with these high frequencies. Conversely, negative emotions like fear, anger, and sadness lower our vibrational frequency and draw in similar low-frequency experiences. Understanding and mastering our emotional energy involves a few key practices. First, we need to become attuned to our emotional state. This awareness allows us to identify and understand the emotions we experience in different situations. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and reflective journaling, can help us tune into our emotions without judgment. By acknowledging our emotions, we prevent them from becoming suppressed and creating blockages in our energy field. Processing and releasing negative emotions is crucial for maintaining a high vibrational frequency. Techniques such as breath work, emotional freedom tapping, EFT, and expressive writing can help release pent-up emotions and restore energetic balance. When we allow ourselves to fully experience and then let go of negative emotions, we create space for positive emotions to flourish. Cultivating positive emotions requires intentional practice. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions for raising our vibration. By regularly reflecting on and expressing gratitude for the blessings in our lives, we amplify positive energy. Acts of kindness, both towards ourselves and others, also generate high-frequency emotions. Engaging in activities that bring us joy and fulfillment naturally elevates our emotional energy. Our emotional energy is also influenced by our environment and the people we interact with. Surrounding ourselves with positive, supportive, and uplifting individuals helps maintain a high vibrational frequency. Conversely, toxic environments and negative influences can drain our energy and lower our vibration. It's important to create a nurturing environment that supports our emotional well-being. Consider how your current emotional state affects your energy. What steps will you take to process negative emotions and cultivate more positive emotions in your daily life? How can you create an environment that supports your emotional and energetic well-being? Synchronizing with universal energies. Synchronizing with universal energies is a pivotal aspect of mastering energy manipulation and creating quantum events. The universe operates on laws and principles that govern the flow of energy. By aligning ourselves with these natural laws, we can harness their power to create the life we desire. One fundamental principle is the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. Our thoughts, emotions, and intentions emit energy that attracts similar frequencies from the universe. To leverage this law, we must maintain a high vibrational frequency through positive thoughts, emotions, and intentions. Another key principle is the law of vibration, which posits that everything in the universe is in constant motion and vibrates at different frequencies. By raising our own vibration, we align ourselves with higher frequencies and attract positive experiences. Practices such as meditation, gratitude, and acts of kindness help elevate our vibration. Additionally, spending time in nature and connecting with its rhythms can harmonize our energy with the natural world. The law of cause and effect reminds us that every action has a corresponding reaction. Our thoughts, emotions, and actions are causes that produce effects in our reality. By taking conscious, intentional actions, we create positive effects. This principle underscores the importance of aligning our actions with our intentions and values. When our actions are in harmony with our higher self, we create a powerful energetic flow that manifests our desires. Patience and trust are essential when working with universal energies. Manifestation is not always instantaneous. It requires faith in the process and trust in the timing of the universe. Impatience and doubt can disrupt the energetic flow and delay manifestation. By maintaining a state of calm and trust, we allow the universe to align the necessary elements and bring our desires into reality. Synchronicities are meaningful coincidences that occur when we are in alignment with universal energies. These events guide us towards our goals and confirm that we are on the right path. Being open and receptive to these signs enhances our ability to navigate life with ease and confidence. By paying attention to synchronicities, we can recognize the universe's guidance and take inspired action. Reflect on how you can better align with universal energies. What practices will you incorporate to raise your vibration and maintain a positive energetic state? How will you cultivate patience and trust in the manifestation process? What synchronicities have you noticed in your life, and how can you use them to guide your actions?